All that's left of Jessie is her blood on the carpet in her mother's closet.
Well, the big story tonight, the murder trial begins in the case of a Glendale mom accused of killing her 5-year-old daughter. Opening statements began today in the Jerice Hunter trial.
Jessie Shockley disappeared in 2011. Her body has never been found, but police say they still had enough evidence to charge her mother with murder.
ABC 15's Elizabeth Irwin has been following this case from the very beginning, and you were in court when both sides laid out their cases today.
Stephanie and Steve, it's really rare for police to be able to charge someone with murder without ever even finding a body, and this is the first time we've been able to hear exactly what evidence the prosecution has in this case. Jerice Hunter faces a first-degree murder and a child abuse charge in the death of little Jessie. Investigators believe Jerice killed the 5-year-old and dumped her body in a Tempe dumpster. Prosecutors say before Jessie was killed, she was kept home from school for 19 days straight.
She was keeping her out of school because she couldn't let anyone see all of the bruises on her body from the beating she'd administered.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to hear that, Britt. In the background, there was someone making some noise when the prosecutor was describing what detectives think happened to Jessie. That was actually Jerice Hunter's dad laughing in court. He was so loud and disruptive. He was actually kicked out of court today. Not really sure, guys, what anyone would find funny in this situation. It was an incredibly inappropriate moment.
How bizarre.
Yeah.
Especially to experience that in the first day of this trial.
We actually thought he was sobbing at first. I initially tweeted that he was crying because that's what it sounded like. And then to look over and see him smiling, shaking his head and laughing, it was just really upsetting.
Really out of line.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, Elizabeth.